Hello, I'm Ron Davidson, and I got a cure for my hiccups that I've used for probably the past 15 years or so. I fought the same battle everyone else with chronic hiccups fights. I tried drinking the water out of the side of the glass and blowing into a bag and holding my breath and standing on my head. And if somebody mentioned a cure, I'd give it a try. But this cure that I stumbled upon is one that actually works for me, and some of my family members have had the same successful results. And it's pretty simple. Basically, all I do is eat 2 of these double-length graham crackers. That's actually 4 of the small squares. And you have to eat them pretty fast. In other words, you have to choke them down. It's like pretending you're in a graham cracker eating contest, and you just see how fast you can eat these 4 small squares of graham crackers. Once I've choked them down, the hiccups just go away. They've always just been completely gone. And it involves no water, no liquids. I keep a glass of water here in case I ever choked. I never have. If you try it and you have some choking problem or think you might, you sure need to take any precaution necessary. I'm just telling you what has worked for me. And to me, it's revolutionary compared to all the existing cures that, none of them work for everybody. But anyway, I'd be interested to see if some others try it and see what results they come out with. Anyway, that's it. Eat 4 little squares of graham crackers as fast as you can. Choke them down. Hiccups gone. I'm near 80 years old, and I didn't want to take this to my grave, so I'm sharing it with you people. Thank you.